AC compressor clutch not engaging. Possible causes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we break down everything you need to know in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever turned on your car's AC on a hot day, expecting that blast of cool air, but instead, nothing happens? The fan blows, but the air stays warm because the AC compressor clutch just won't engage. Well, today we're diving into the possible causes of an AC compressor clutch not engaging. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to check, what might be wrong, and how to get that cold air flowing again. Trust me, you'll never look at your car's AC system the same way again. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. What is the compressor clutch? Before we get into the causes, let's quickly understand what the AC compressor clutch does. Think of it like a switch. Your car's AC compressor is driven by the engine belt, but it doesn't run all the time. The clutch is an electromagnetic device that engages and disengages the compressor when you turn the AC on or off. So, if the clutch isn't engaging, the compressor can't pump refrigerant, which means no cold air. Possible causes why the clutch won't engage. Now let's break down the most common reasons this happens. 1. Low refrigerant level. This is probably the #1 reason. Modern AC systems are designed with low pressure switches. If the refrigerant level is too low, the system won't allow the clutch to engage in order to protect the compressor. It's like a safety feature, because running the compressor without enough refrigerant can damage it permanently. Solution: check your refrigerant levels. If it's low, you may need a recharge. But remember, if refrigerant is low, there's usually a leak somewhere that needs fixing. 2. Blown fuse or bad relay. Your AC clutch needs electricity to work. A blown fuse or a faulty AC relay can cut off power to the clutch. Quick tip: locate your car's fuse box, check the AC fuse and relay, and replace them if necessary. It's one of the easiest and cheapest fixes. 3. Bad AC clutch coil. The clutch uses an electromagnetic coil to pull the clutch plate in. If the coil is burned out or weak, the clutch won't engage even if everything else is fine. Test it with a multimeter to see if the coil is getting power. If it's dead, the clutch, or sometimes the entire compressor, may need replacing. 4. Faulty pressure switches. We already mentioned the low pressure switch, but there's also a high pressure switch. If system pressure is too high, maybe due to a blockage, bad condenser fan, or overcharging, the switch will cut off power to the clutch to prevent damage. If either switch is faulty or giving incorrect readings, the clutch won't engage. 5. Wiring or connections. Sometimes it's not the clutch or refrigerant at all. It could simply be bad wiring, corroded connectors, or a loose plug. Always inspect the wiring leading to the clutch and the pressure switches. A broken wire or rusted connector can stop the whole system. If you're liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. 6. AC control module or climate control issue. Modern cars rely heavily on electronic control modules. If the climate control unit or the ECU isn't sending the engage signal because of a fault, software glitch, or even a bad sensor, the clutch won't activate. This usually requires diagnostic scanning tools to confirm. Finally, compressor or clutch mechanically damaged. If the compressor clutch itself is seized, worn out, or broken, no amount of power will make it engage. In this case, you're usually looking at a clutch replacement or sometimes a whole compressor replacement. How to diagnose the issue step by step. If you're facing this problem, here's a quick step-by-step diagnostic flow. 1. Turn on the AC and listen or look if the clutch tries to engage. 2. Check refrigerant level with a gauge. 3. Inspect fuses and relays. 4. Test voltage at the clutch coil. 5. Check pressure switches and wiring. 6. Scan for error codes if your car supports it. This systematic approach helps you avoid wasting money guessing the problem. Important safety reminder. Always remember, working with AC refrigerant requires care. Refrigerant is under pressure and can cause serious injury if mishandled. If you're not comfortable, it's always safer to have a professional AC technician take a look. So, there you have it, the main reasons why your AC compressor clutch might not be engaging. From low refrigerant, blown fuses and bad relays, all the way to wiring problems and damaged compressors. The good news, many of these issues are simple fixes, and knowing what to look for saves you time and money at the mechanic. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's been sweating in their car wondering why their AC isn't working. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one where we keep making car problems simple and easy to understand.